I got my medical records in one of these places, and among them was the radiologist report. Radiologist said I had no injuries present in an x-ray. In the x-ray pictures themselves, I've got a 3-inch diameter translucent oval in an area in other scans where it shows that I have broken bone in the underside of my skull. When I attempted to contact this MD doctor, licensed to practice in the state of Alabama, who wasn't located in Alabama, yeah, at the bottom of the report it showed the doctor's name and then a phone number. And when you call the phone number, it leads to one of these telemedicine companies. All right. Coincidentally, the name of the telemedicine company was not present on this radiologist report. So when I called the number, I didn't get in touch with the doctor, and I spoke to this telemedicine firm. They would not let me talk to this doctor and have this report corrected, or correct this report for me. So yeah, in this instance, okay, again, we're talking about a type of anonymity. You put a phone number on a report on our doctor's name, okay, well, you're going to associate that number with a doctor and not the company whose name is absent from the radiologist report. And this is shady. So yeah, I think one law that we need in Alabama to fight this type of anonymity and the use of pseudonyms, I believe that any person who is engaging in any kind of medical affairs, all right, doctors, nurses, office staff who speak for the doctors and nurses or receive communications for the doctors and nurses, all of these people, they need to be registered with a state of Alabama office, okay? I think doctors, they need to receive some kind of state-issued ID card, which they must be required to wear on their shirt, where people can see this when they're doing business in person. And then the names of all of these people who work in these industries, they need to be registered and need to be put into a database viewable on the internet, okay? So if you're a patient, you're dealing with these people, you have questions or concerns, you can simply look up their name and see if they're registered with the state of Alabama. And then the state of Alabama, they should have an email link to report abuse and concerns of the medical system. And then you can simply click that link and send in your complaints and have this investigated. But yeah, I've dealt with the Alabama Board of Medical Examiners and Licensure Commission myself, and I had a very strong series of complaints. My complaints were dismissed, not investigated individually on their own merits. I don't know what they did with this stuff. They wouldn't tell me. Their investigative procedure is confidential. So I don't have a whole lot of faith in this body that grants the medical licenses in Alabama for these doctors to become millionaires. Yeah, funny things happen when you have someone who makes, say, $50,000 a year salary who is able to grant or revoke the authority for a doctor to make several $1 million a year. Okay, I'll just leave it at that.